The first point, whenever someone claims that they've seen the moon, whether that person is just or not, whether that person is male or female, if their testimony generates certainty in your mind that the person is truthful and the person accurately saw the moon, then you can consider the new moon to be seen and the month of Ramadan officially starts for you. Even if the person is not known to be adil, to be upright and just. Even if the person is a female, as we will see because there's a discussion on that. As long as it generates yaqeen, ilm, certainty, knowledge in your mind, in Islamic law, yaqeen and knowledge is always sufficient proof. So if one of your friends on the night of the first of Ramadan went out to an open area and your friend claimed that he or she saw the moon. I saw the crescent 15 minutes after sunset and I confirmed that I indeed did see it. And you don't have reason to believe that your friend is lying because astronomically the calculations state that the moon is visible in your area. And because you trust your friend, you know your friend, you have yaqeen, certainty beyond doubt that he's saying the truth or she's saying the truth. If it generates certainty, then you can go by that certainty and the month of Ramadan will be established. However, if you don't get such certainty, I don't know whether the claim is accurate or not, whether this person is really truthful or not, I don't know. If you don't know, then that's not sufficient evidence to establish the new month. Whether it's the night of the first of Ramadan or the night of Eid, that will not qualify. So what will qualify in Islamic law, even if you don't have certainty, but it's still binding on you? It's binding on us when we have two just male witnesses, shahadatu rajulayni adlayn, as the ahadith state. When two men who are known for being just, they don't openly commit sins, they're known to be righteous, they're known to be God-fearing and trustworthy. If they come forward and they say that we've seen the moon, then it becomes binding on us to follow the new moon. If someone says in this community, two people say, we've seen it. We went out to an open field, an open park, and we did see the moon. Do you have certainty that they're saying the truth? No. You don't have such certainty. But is their testimony binding on you? Yes, it is binding on you. This is because in Islamic law, whenever we have two adils, two just witnesses, coming forth with a testimony, and it can be about anything, not just the moon. Let's say two just witnesses come to the judge and say, we saw Zayd stealing. If they are two just witnesses and there's no counter evidence in an Islamic court, that's binding. Or they come and say that, Zayd owes Amr $200 and they make a testimony. Or that X person divorced his wife and we were present there and we were the witnesses and they're two just witnesses. That's binding in Islamic law. Even if that does not generate certainty for the judge or for you. It's always binding. If there's no counter evidence, of course.